Hi friends. Hey, what I'm going to show you next is another project. Run a project made with scrap stuff. Yeah, this is just made with some of this old rope, okay, and some pallet wood. Yeah, some pallet wood. There's some little pallet wood. Okay. The pallet wood, there's some little pallet wood and there's bigger pallet wood, just all kinds of different sizes you can use. But I'm going to use the bigger pallet wood, okay? Just going to cut a couple pieces like this size, 2 of them, and put them right next to each other, right there, horizontally. Yeah, okay. And that's what I come up with. See, just put them next to each other, glue them together, real good. Make sure you sand those joint areas so they glue good, okay? Hey, I guess for you new people that haven't watched all my videos yet, welcome to Grandpa's Workshop in Branson. It's beautiful today in Branson. Yes, it is. It was hot for a few days. Well, we had lots of rain, and it was hot, and then we got a little bit of rain, and now it's hot again. Yeah, but it's beautiful. It's busy in Branson. But if you've never been, you got to get here. So much to do in Branson. Great community. Anyway, put these 2 boards together. Okay. Then I painted it white. Sanded it with my sander to distress it. Then I printed out words that I want to use. Okay. On a piece of paper just with a printer. The size I want. Kind of lay it up against the board to see what size I want. And then I take my pencil and scratch on the back of it like we used to when we were kids. Okay? Then lay it up against the board. And then I take a pen and I outline all the letters. This is what I do when the letters or the picture or whatever is small. That's what I do. And then I outline all those. And then I take a paint pen, and I fill it in. And this is what it comes up. Look at there. Isn't that nice? This is a song. I can't remember who sings it, but it's a beautiful song. I love this song. Love the people that God gives you, because one day He'll want them back. So true, right? So true. Yeah. I miss my parents. I'm sure there's people in your family that you miss too. So you make sure that you love them while they're here. Okay? All right. Then I just, see this? I just cut this out of an old board, another pallet board. Painted it black on the sides just so it blend in a little bit. Kind of roughed it up and put a stain on the front of it, on the cross. Now my hanger that you saw in the back, my first thought was to make this was going to be my hanger. But then I thought about this and put the little knots through the front. It kind of gives it more character. Anytime that you can add tin, just old barn tin, like this old piece, or pallet wood, or rope, or glass, anything like that, just makes it more rustic and more farmhousey. Is that a word? Farmhousey? Sure, it is here in the Ozarks. Okay, anyway, I got another bonus I want to show you. I always like to have a bonus, give you 2. Cheaper that way. Oh no, it don't cost you. Just like if you push subscribe. If you push subscribe, it don't cost you, and then you won't miss any of my videos. Oh, I'd appreciate that if you'd do that. I'd like to have more subscribers. Okay? If you like this, or if you like any of my videos, watch them all. If you like any of my videos, I'd really appreciate it if you would share them. Yeah, and push like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Okay. So that's something you can do at home, any color you want. Okay. Yeah. Looky there. Nice, huh? Okay. The other thing I want to show you is something else you can make at home. My wife and I aren't the tallest people in the world, and sometimes we have clothes up high in our closet. So we made a little step stool. Yeah, okay. Now to make these little step stools, you're gonna make the size you want, okay? Yeah, let's see here. So this side, I just make a board. Kind of looks like one of them things you flip over the side and take your boots off with. So if you wanted to do that, you could make one of those. Put your heel in there and take your boot off. Anyway, make 2 of those, and then I just attach them. Just to use different boards to attach them. I've used this board here. Use this board here. Just some scraps I had laying around. Now, I put these on here just to make it more stable. Otherwise, you do a backflip. Ooh, or a face plant right on your nose. That's not good, is it? Anyway, you just use the boards you need to sure it up a little bit. Sure, you can sure it up. Oh, goodness. Okay, anyway, and then the top boards, you can make them however you want. You can paint this. You can stain the top a real pretty brown, and then you can paint the sides white. That's pretty. That's pretty. You could do that if you want to do that. So I just wanted to show you that because it's just something simple that you can do. Okay? All right. If you have any ideas that you do with scrappy stuff, put it down in the comment area. I like to see your ideas and see what you do too. Yeah. Put a picture if you want. That's fine. You can do that. Okay? So, anyway, that's kind of all for today. Okay? Now, watch for the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Okay? Okay. Make sure you subscribe and you push share and like. Okay? And watch for the next video. Okay? Watch for the next video. And I sure appreciate you stopping by. Okay? Thanks for stopping by. See you on my next video. Watch for it.